Hi guys, it's me, Ivan, and today I'll be showing you from Jakks Pacific Articulated Classic Sonic. And this was given to my brother, and the back here, it says 11 points of articulation, and yesterday I got Shadow, and the last two will be Tails with the spinning tails, and Knuckles with the blue emerald, and there. And he comes with the spring thing, and I'm going to open this. I got the knife, guys, and I'm opening it. So, let me take him out of there. So, let me take out Classic Sonic. He's too hard to get out. Come on, Classic Sonic. Come out of there. Oh, I got him out. Now let me get the spring here thing. Oh, I got it out, guys. So, here's Classic Sonic. And he's an articulated figure. He still got articulation on his arms, his head, and his knees, ball joint knees, and legs. And the Springer, it's pushable, and see, guys, and there. And I'll compare him to other ones. So he's the exact same size as Mighty the armadillo. And see, guys, he's the same size as him. And now, here's the Jazzwares Classic Sonic. And he is so rare to find. So, you ain't gotta have the ones from Jazzwares. And I like this figure. Just like I got Super Shadow. And, well, see you later, guys. Hope you had a great day. Bye, and subscribe.